For today's vlog, we will be unboxing Squid Game Funko Pops, and I'll be choosing 3 of my favorite characters in this series. So let's go ahead and start it now. Oh, by the way, I'm actually wearing a wrong mask, so I'll just gonna remove it right now because it's actually from La Casa de Papel. So let's start. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Francis, and shut up to my viewers. So for today's video, we will be unboxing our Squid Game Funko Pops that I purchased from Bully Boy Collectibles sa Green Hills. So this is my official entry as Funko Fanatic Philippines 2022 unboxing contest.
Wow.
So let's go ahead and get started. By the way, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to like this video, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you will be updated every time I upload my new vlog. So let's go! Okay guys, so ang next Funko Pop natin ay si Ali. So ito yung foreigner sa Korea na nagtatrabaho sa factory. So tara, buksan na natin to. Balita ko si Carlo Aquino talaga dapat yung magpo-portray sa character na to. Unfortunately, hindi siya nakarating sa Korea. So ito na si Ali. Front view ng box, may kita natin yung Pop Television, Squid Game, and then Pop 1221. Of course, the Funko Pop itself and the name of the Funko Pop, which is Player 199 Ali. Same sa left side, may kita mo rin yung image ng Funko Pop, yung name ng Funko Pop, Pop Television, and yung number. Then sa top part ng box, you will see the half image of Ali, Pop Television, and the Funko logo. Here at the back, you'll see the different characters that is included in this line. So we have a total of 6. Konting trivia lang guys, si Ali yung niloko ng boss niya kaya ninakawan niya bago siya sumali sa Squid Game. At ayun din yung reason ng kinamatay niya. After siyang lokohin, nung kapartner niya, ninakaw yung holen niya. Diba? Tsaka siya binaril. Kaya ikaw wag kang magpapaloko sa kapartner mo, okay? Joke lang. So ayan guys, so this is Ali, which is my favorite character. Okay guys, so buksan na natin tong player number 67, si Cybyok. Did I pronounce it correctly or not? So if mali, comment below. And tara, buksan na natin yung Funko Pop. Buksan na natin yung box para makita yung Funko Pop. So, eto siya. Gusto ko din tong Funko Pop na to. As you can see, ang ganda ng details. Kitang-kita yung freckles niya sa mukha niya. Tsaka okay din tong character na to eh. Lalong-lalo na yun nandun sila sa Marble Challenge. And then guys, ito talaga yung pinaka-favorite kong character, si O-Il-Am. O-Il-Nam. So yung player 001, yung may pakana ng lahat ng Squid Game. So panoorin nyo na lang kung gusto nyo malaman yung story. So tara, buksan na natin to. And so ayan yung Funko Pop niya. And yung ulo niyo. Ang cute. So ayan guys. So guys, ito yung top view ng Funko Pop ni Player 001. Sobrang ganda ng details. So, sa taas naman, may kita mo yung kalahati ng mukha niya, yung Pop Television at yung Funko logo. And then dito sa left side, may kita mo pa rin yung image ng Funko Pop, yung name ng Funko Pop, and of course yung mga logo. At sa likod, nandyan pa rin yung mga other characters na included sa line na to. At ito yung mga hindi natin binabasa, yung mga license. Okay guys, so ito naman yung complete set ng common Squid Game Funko Pops. As you can see, we have player 067 at saka yung bida natin, player 456, yung mastermind na player 001. We have the masked soldier, and then we also have yung traidor na player 128 at si Ali, player 199. Tapos meron pang dalawang mask soldier yan, yung square, yung Walmart exclusive, at saka yung triangle which is yung Funko Shop exclusive. Ayun, so sana kompletuhan na nila yung characters. Gusto ko yung babaeng namatay dun sa Marble Challenge, at saka yung dalawang makulit, yung kulot na babae, at saka yung matabang lalaki. So sana i-complete nila para maganda, di ba? So guys, that's it for today's video. Sobrang mabilisan lang tong vlog na to dahil isang araw ko lang siyang ginawa. So hopefully, like nyo naman tong video ko, and then share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell para updated ka lagi sa bago kong upload. Ayun lang, good luck sa lahat ng kasali sa Funko Fanatic Philippines. Hopefully panoorin nyo lahat, and ano pa ba? That's it. Thank you so much again and have a blessed day.